What a great price movement in this chart, right? Can you believe it's a stock which price is below 50 rupees and it's a Tata product? In this video, we will discuss about Tata Teleservice Limited and the new project updates from the company side. So watch the full video. Before going to the video, I have a small request. If this content would be informative to you, please click on subscribe button and the like button. It will be a great support for making new videos for you. So welcome to my channel Stocks with Mac. Here we learn and earn. First of all, we can take a look at some basic details of the company. Tata Teleservice Limited is an Indian broadband and telecommunication service provider based in Mumbai. It's a subsidiary of Tata Group and the founder is Ratan Tata. Company provides wide range of telephonic services such as fixed wireless phones, public telephone booths, wireless service, etc. And the current market price of the share is 42 rupees. So now we can take a look at why this share price is rising. As of fiscal year 2021, the firm have a total debt of 17,774 crores. But the stock has surged nearly 1,500% in the last 8 months as the company's prospectus looking bright for going ahead. Why people continuously buying shares of a company with this type of debt? So here is the importance of the news related with the new update from Tata Sons. As per a report, Tata Sons is reviving Tata Teleservice with a new avatar called Tata Tele Business Service (TTBS), which will cater to small and medium enterprise. It's a cloud-hosted communication platform targeting SMEs that have a hybrid work culture where people work from home and remote locations, and the project SmartFlow can be accessed through mobile phones and desktops. And Business Standard report suggests that Tata Group is concerned about Tata Teleservices by taking technical and enterprise solutions for its super app which is being built. The application is likely to be launched by December this year and is expected to bring all Tata Group products as well as services under one platform and enable sales to consumers directly. And the major reason for the better performance of the company and the uptrend of the share price is because of the strong support from its parent company Tata Sons to support any shortfall in liquidity and improvement in financial year 2021's operational performance. So if the new project SmartFlow would be established successfully, there may be chance for a better yield. But we also need to consider the monopoly, the degrowth of other telecom business services when Reliance established Jio. So it's a project oriented stock. If the project establishes successfully and it will be practical, we can see a good growth in the company and obviously the share price. But otherwise it will create some problems. So study about the company, study about the new project and the financial details of the company, and only after that make a good decision. So thank you so much for watching this video and please click on subscribe button for more updates like this. Thank you all.